Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this 1 BHK flat for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, it's spread across 525 square feet of built up area and has got one bedroom and two bathrooms without a balcony. The flat is located on the 4th floor out of 7 and is available for sale directly from the owner. It's a semi-furnished flat situated in a gated society. The property is approximately 5 years old and has freehold ownership. This is one of those flats which comes with affordability. The society features amenities like intercom facility, lifts, maintenance staff, garden, pipe gas, security personnel, fitness center, clubhouse and many more. So this lovely 1 BHK flat is located at Sarjapur Road in east part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 39 lakhs, non-negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.